Good morning, students. Today we will do the numericals of chapter 2. Please open the page number 17. Convert the following measurement into centimeter. First one, 4 meter. We know that in 1 meter there is a 100 centimeter. So in 4 meter there are 400 centimeter. In the second part, 3 meter 55 centimeter. So firstly we will convert the 3 meter into centimeter. So that is the 300 centimeter. 55 should be added in this. We got the answer 355 centimeter. The next one, third part, 30 inches. We know that in 1 inch there are 2.5 centimeter, and in 30 inches you will multiply with 2.5 into 30. We got the 75 centimeter. The fourth one, 2 feet. 2 feet convert into centimeter. In 1 feet there are 12 inches. 2 feet, how many inches? 12 into 2, that is the 24 inches. In 1 inch there are 2.5 centimeters. So therefore 24 inches, when you convert in centimeter, you will multiply with the 2.5 into 24. It's converted into 60 centimeter. The second question, convert the following into meter. So we know that first part, 3 kilometer, in 1 kilometer there are 1000 meter. So in 3 kilometer there are 3000 meter. 10 feet convert into meter. So first 1 feet equal to 12 inches, 10 feet equal to 10 into 12, that is 120 inches. Also we know that the 1 inch equal to 2.5 centimeter. So when you convert into meter, firstly we will do convert into centimeter. So 120 inches, that's mean 2.5 into 120, you got 300 centimeter. So in 1 meter 100 centimeter, in 3 meter, that are the 300 centimeter, convert into 3 meters. Hence 10 feet equal to 3 meter. 5 kilometer, so in 1 kilometer 1000 meter, so 5 kilometer 5000 meter. Test yourself. A quantity that can be measured is called a dash quantity, that is a physical quantity. Every measurement has two parts, numerical and unit. Distance between 2 points is called dash, that is the length. Dash and dash can be used to measure length. Meter, rod and ruler can be used to measure length. Fifth one, 1 inch is equal to dash centimeter, that is the 2.5 centimeter. Now open the page number 20. So question number 1, convert the following units of mass into gram. So we know that 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So 28 kg, that means 1000 multiply 28, you got the answer 28,000 gram. 3 kg 200 gram. So firstly we convert 3 kg means into gram, that means 3000 gram, and you should add 200, then you got the answer 3200 gram. Convert 3500 milligram into gram. So in 1 gram there are 1000 milligram. So in 35 milligram, when you change, you got 1 into 3500 over 1000. So 0 zeros cancel, then you got the answer 3.5 gram. Now open the page number 23. The question number 1, convert the following into minutes. So 300 seconds. We know that in 1 minute, how many seconds? 60 seconds. When you convert 300 seconds into minute, you will divide with 60. So then you got the 5 minutes. So 2 hours. So in 1 hour 60 minutes. In 2 hours 60 into 2, that's mean 120 minutes. The next one, 1 hour 5 minutes. In 1 hour 60 minutes. So when you convert into this, 5 should be added into 60, that means 65 minutes. 1 day. 1 day has a 24 hours. So 1 hour has a 60 minutes. When you convert it into 60 into 24, when you got the answer, when you multiply it, 1440 minutes. So next, second question, convert the following into seconds. So we know that in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. In 40 minutes, when you multiply with 60, you got the answer, that is the 2400 second. 1 hour convert into second. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, and in 1 hour 60 into 60, that's mean 3600 seconds. Next one, 2 hour 10 minutes. Firstly we will convert 2 hour in minutes. In 1 hour 60 minutes, in 2 hour 120 minutes. So then after that what will we do? So we will convert into second, 120 minutes. So 1 minute 60 seconds, 120 minutes means 60 into 120. Then you multiply it, you got the answer, that is at 7200 seconds. 2 hour 10 minutes, 7200 plus 10 minutes means 10 into 60, that's 600. 600 seconds. When you add up, you got the answer, that is a 7800 seconds. The next, test yourself. Amount or quantity of matter is an object is called its mass. Dash and dash are used to measure mass, beam balance and electronic balance. Third one, 3500 grams is equal to dash kilograms. When you divide with 1000, you got the answer 3.5. Dash device is used to calculate interval between two events. The answer is stopwatch. Dash is the unit of time, second. Second is the unit of time. Students, do this numerical on your notebook and revise it. Thanks a lot. Stay safe, stay home.